Good morning, all of you. In this video, we are going to see the exercise portion of your HTML chapter. Now see the first question. What is HTML? The answer is present on page number 89. On page number 89, if you see, we are having words to remember. See, first point is the answer of the first one. Means HTML is a simple and powerful language to create web pages. Till web pages is your first answer, okay? The second one is name the basic tags involved in the structure of an HTML document. So firstly from the question you have to write down the basic tags involved in the structure of HTML documents are, first one is your HTML tag, second one is your head tag, third one is your title tag, and the fourth one is your lastly body tag. Okay, so these four tags should be involved in the structure of an HTML document. Moving forward, you are having, see this question number 2, how many headers can be used in an HTML document at a time? The answer is present on, don't write down this one, answer is present on page number 77. So if you see on page number 77, then see on the screen as well, I'm showing you. This is your page number 77, this one. Okay, so you have to start writing from this one. 6 different headers can be used in a web page but not more than 3 at a time. Okay, this is the first answer. Now you see the second question, name the tag used to begin a new line in an HTML document. The answer you have to write down is BR, as you can see on the screen, BR. Then from the question, tag is used to begin a new line in an HTML document. Okay, so firstly BR, then tag is used to begin a new line in an HTML document. Moving forward, we are having the third part, that is your fill in the blanks. See the first one, header tag is written in the form of HN in HTML. Second one, font tag is used to format text in HTML. Third one, HR tag is used to add horizontal lines. And the last one, moving or scrolling text can be placed in a web page using marquee tag. Okay, so these are the fill in the blank answers. Now we are having, see the assessment B portion. The first question you see, 6 different headers can be used in a web page but not more than 3 at a time. Second one is BR tag is used to begin a new line in HTML document. This is the answer, BR. Third one, each row in a table is divided into data cells. Answer is D part, cells. And the last one, an href is a term used to define a hyperlink destination in a document. Okay, so the last one's answer is B, that is href. Now we are on the very short answer question. See the first one, name the tag used to add alignment in a paragraph. Answer is present on page number 79. So turn page number 79 firstly, then you will be able to see this portion. See on the screen I am showing you page number 79 over here. Do you know portion we are having? So the first do you know, you see, to add alignment in a paragraph, use P align direction, where direction can be left, right or center. P can be skipped over here. So the complete thing you have to write down in second part, first answer. Okay, now the second answer also you can see on the same page. The second do you know portion is the second answer. BR can be of good use for small lines of text appearing one after another, as it does not leave space at the line beginning. So this is for the first answer, and second do you know is for the second answer. Okay, now moving forward, see, we are on the third part, short answer question. So the first one, what are horizontal rules in HTML? Please turn to page number 89. Now see, page number 89 per we are having words to remember. So the second word to remember you have to write down. Horizontal rules are simple horizontal lines that are spread across the width of the screen or web page. This is the first answer for the short answer part. Okay. For the second one, what are comments in HTML? Write down the steps to add comment in a program. So please turn page number 84. On page number 84, let us see. over here. See at the top we are having this portion. Comments are like short notes that are not visible in the browser. They are useful while writing programs. And step number 1, 2, 3 complete you have to write down. Okay, this is about the second answer about comments. Now we are left with our long answer portions. Now see, long answer question first part you see write down the steps to add header in a web page. It is present on page number 78 and hand to hand you see the B portion add paragraph in a web page. Both the answers are present on page number 78. So let us see 78 over here. See. The first point was to add header. Now you have to write down from here we follow these steps to add header in a web page. Step number 1, step number 2, step number 3. Okay, so this is the first portion means A portion, this one you have to write down. Now for the B portion, see at the bottom of the page we are having we follow these steps to add a paragraph in a web page. Step number 1, step number 2, step number 3. Okay, this is about the B part. Moving forward to your second question of the long answer type. Now see, write down the steps to change font size of a text in HTML. Hand to hand you see the B part also. Change font color. So A part may we have to see how we are going to change the font size and B part may we have to see how we are going to change the font color. So firstly for A part, turn to page number 81. From your book you can see page number 81. Over here it is. Over here, so we have to write down from this portion to change the font size we follow these steps. Step number 1, step number 2, step number 3, and this is your second question A part. Okay, now you turn to page number 82. On page number 82 we have to talk about font colors, so you have to write down from this portion we follow these steps to change the font color. Step number 1, step number 2, step number 3. These 3 steps you need to write down in B portion. So this complete A and B portion makes your second answer of your long answer type question. Okay, now moving forward to your third question. See, write a short note on lists and tables in HTML. So please open page number 8. Now you see the third answer. Write a short note on lists and tables in HTML. The answer is present on page number 86. Okay, so let us turn our page number 86 for now. See, over here we are having a heading creating list. So from the first line you have to write down list arrange text in a linear and structured form. Usually ordered list and unordered list are created in HTML. Okay, so firstly this paragraph you need to write down. After that you put on a heading of ordered list. Then this complete paragraph you have to write down. Now continue with your answer and turn to page number 87. You are having a heading of unordered list. So the same heading you need to put on. Then start writing from this portion. The items in unordered list appears with bullets and complete your answer with till this tag portion. In place of this L1 you need to write down LI. Okay. Now from the next paragraph you have to write down from this portion tables in HTML till TD tag is used. Now all these portion comes under your long answer type third answer. Okay, all these things you have to write down sequentially. Now the last question we are on, see the last question, that is your what are hyperlinks. So for this one you please turn to page number, we are having 88. Okay, on page number 88 we are having this portion. A hyperlink is a reference to or an address, and complete your answer till this portion. Href attribute define the link address. Okay, and then only this example you have to write down. Okay, so this is about the fourth answer that you need to write down. Fine, I hope you understood all the questions very well. In case of doubt please write down in the comment section. Now for the see this activity time we are having match the following tags. Now see the first part UL, you match this UL with this third portion display unordered list. For the B part TD you have to write down this second portion add data in table. For the C part OL you please match it with the first one create an ordered list. For the D part TR you please match it with this one, this fifth one specify a row in a table. For E part A href, match it with the fourth one. No, match it with the sixth one to link two documents. And for the F portion, you match it with this fourth one. Okay, so this is about your match the following tags. Now with this, your chapter got completed. Now about this HTML code, you need to do it by yourself. See, this first portion you need to do it, and the second portion no need to write down this third one. Fine, this first and this in computer room first one in your computer copy you need to write down. Now in case of any doubt, you please write me in the comment section below. I hope you have got all the answers.